Hi, in today's video I'll be showing you how to draw a simple character's face, this time Charlie Brown, from the front and from the side. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so for this exercise you'll need some squared paper. You'll find it easier if you use some squared paper when you're trying to match up the features on your face. So I'm drawing a simple circle on the left hand side of my page in a pencil. You can draw around something, draw around a cup or a small mug. And in the center of your circle you're going to draw the letter C and either side two little dots for eyes. Get a mouth in there. You see Charlie Brown's mouth is almost at the very bottom of his face. He's got ears on either side which sit just below the nose. Use the line of his eyeballs to guide you so you can see the top of his ear starts at the same line as his eye. A little squiggle of hair in there. If you've used a pencil, then grab your pen and just draw in that simple circular head. You can see on the left hand side we've got the line continuing, but not on the right hand side for his ear. There you go. Okay, so now we're going to try and draw Charlie Brown's head from the side. So with my pencil I'm just marking out quickly where his head starts at the top and the bottom of his head, and some guidelines for his features, so where his ears are, where his eyes, his mouth, and where that squiggle of hair is. You can see how the squared paper has helped me here. If you don't have squared paper, you can use a ruler or a set square. Okay, now I've got my guidelines there. On the right hand side of my page I can have a go at drawing another circle. If you've used something to draw around, then use it again. Now I'm going to have Charlie Brown looking over to the right, so I'm going to start with his nose. And now his ear sits in the very middle of the circle. His eyes are near his nose, so if you can see there, I've used the face on the left hand side to guide me where to pop his eyes, but they're nearer to his nose on the side of his head than they are to his ear. Now Charlie Brown's head isn't perfectly round, so it's sort of heavier at the bottom. I'm going to grab my pen. Oh, I've forgotten. Charlie Brown has a sprig of hair at the back of his head. Get your pen and go over those lines, cleaning it up. Once you're finished, you can grab a rubber and get rid of those pencil lines if you like. And there you go. Have a go at this. Match up his eyes. And there you go. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.